When using a pipe wrench for gas line installation, precision and caution are paramount to ensure safety and functionality. Start by selecting the correct size pipe wrench for the gas line pipe material, typically steel or copper. For steel, a standard pipe wrench with serrated teeth is suitable, providing a firm grip without damaging the pipe. For copper pipes, use a protective cover or a softer tool like a strap wrench to avoid crushing or scuffing the surface. Before installation, ensure the pipe is securely supported. Using a pipe wrench, grip the pipe tightly, but avoid over-tightening. Over-tightening can deform the pipe or damage the threads, leading to potential leaks. Apply steady pressure and rotate the wrench in the direction needed to either tighten or loosen the pipe. For gas lines, always check for leaks after installation. Do not use a pipe wrench for tasks requiring precise torque control. This could compromise the integrity of the gas system. Instead, use a torque wrench for critical connections to ensure proper tightness without risking damage. Lastly, always ensure that the pipe wrench and your work area are clean and free from debris to prevent contamination that could affect the installation process. Adhering to these steps will ensure the safe and effective installation of gas lines.